Welcome to my channel Rainbow on Canvas. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Clean the colors bottle with warm water. After that, I use gesso on it because gesso gives a smooth texture to draw. Here I take 8 bottles to decorate, so I choose 8 pictures to draw and 8 types of indoor plant to make. After that, draw the picture, glue the rope on top. The same thing I repeat for every bottle. For leaves, first I take some pieces of thin wire, piece of masking tape. For big leaves, use masking tape twice. Then cut it as required leaves design. Color it. Handmade leaves in sponge or thermocol and your mini cute indoor plant is ready. Don't tear the paper sticker on bottle at first. If you tear the sticker paper after dip the warm water, the sticky stuff would not be cleaned smoothly. It can create problem when you decorate it. So please don't tear the paper at first. Take one bowl warm water, dump the bottle for 15 minutes, then tear the sticker. Clean the color very well. Usually black or dark color take more time to clean. Here I use homemade gesso. To make gesso, I use baby powder, glue and white acrylic color in 1:2:1 quantity. So if you want, you can make homemade gesso like me to use. Otherwise, you can skip it. For plant the leaves I use sponge. You can use thermocol also. You can use one another coat of white acrylic color on gesso. I skip it. I use the background color directly on gesso. Here I take 4 small and 4 big thread to adjust weight. After finished, my mother said to change the rope, go for thread. Don't worry, processing is same. I can't shoot those video because I was very tired on this day, and this craft take my 3 weeks because I was very busy with my classes and tuitions. Sometimes I lost my patience, but the good thing is that before finish I am very happy to see it. Those mini cute plant win my mother's whole heart, and when she said, "Wow, it looking like awesome," I feel my hard work is come successful. For making lucky bamboo plant, take some white paper, roll it and glue it. Cut those rolls respectively, one piece 9 cm, 5 or 6 piece 7 cm and 9 or 10 piece 5 cm. Glue it one by one, then color it. Then take a piece of green A4 paper, fold it and cut like leaf. Add some detail and stick it. After then, take one thin red A4 paper and glue it like this. And here is your lucky bamboo plant. Last one is blue candle cactus plant. To make it, take a piece board, cut like this, color it. For making cactus flower, take a round cut bright colored A4 paper. Cut like mountain, go round. And your flower is ready. Here you have to cut 2 piece boards to make one. A piece of peach board should be cut in half from the top along the middle, and another one should be cut in half along the middle from the bottom. Both should be stuck along the middle cut and glue the flower on top. Here I take a cover of useless box from my mother's kitchen, hole it by very hot pin. I did 8 holes in total. Use a printed gift paper to hide lid. You can use another paper, shiny gift paper or drawing upon it to hide